Hello, you're welcome to Lecture Lemma Online. So, what we have today, physics, the concept of semiconductors and doping. So, what are semiconductors? Semiconductors are materials that have its electrical properties between conductors and insulators. You cannot call them conductors, and you cannot as well call them insulators. So, they are in between. They are in between. And these materials, we can call them group 4 elements. They have the properties of group 4 elements. So now these materials, when when they are doped, their conductivity increases. You know, these materials, semiconductors, their properties can be changed, can be affected by temperature, by light, by light, heat. So they can be easily be affected by this heat and light and temperature, effects of temperatures. So therefore they can be used for the manufacture of some electronic gadgets like smartphones, like stabilizers, like some integrated circuit chips we use in electronic gadgets. So now, what is this doping all about? Doping is the introduction of impurities into the intrinsic semiconductors. So when the impurities are introduced into the intrinsic semiconductors, they become extrinsic semiconductors. They become extrinsic semiconductors. So these impurities can be group 4 element, group 3 elements. It can be group 5 elements. So group 3 element like boron, group 5 element like phosphorus. So now, when they are introduced, these impurities will make them either to become N-type semiconductor or P-type semiconductor or P-type semiconductor. So N-type means that it's a negative charge semiconductor. It's doped with a group 5 elements. Group 5 elements will make them to have excess electron. This excess electron make them to become N-type semiconductors. Therefore, the major carriers of charges in this semiconductor, the major carriers are electron. While in P-type semiconductor, when semiconductor is doped with a group 3 element, it becomes P-type. And this P-type has holes, has insufficient electron. Insufficient electron, you make them to have holes, and these holes are positive charge. So the major carriers in P-type semiconductor are holes, while the major carrier in N-type semiconductor are electrons. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.